to the floor, assembled the track in the configuration that we want to have in our finished plan, so that term layout is very accurate. Yeah, it's the foundation. It's how we start the process. The next photo you see is that layout now turned into layers. Where the tracks are elevated, we have ramps that we've cut out of plywood.
I can see that. Okay, I got it.
Yeah. Here where it's just flat, we figure out the plan, we decide on the plan, we lock that down, and then our next step is to transfer that cardboard cutout and layout onto actual hard material, the plywood that we'll be using for the.
This is your own warehouse here, correct?
Right. This is also in the studio here. Once we have that plan laid out in cardboard, now we're replicating it, but we're lifting up the layers of plywood and putting the framing underneath those layers to give us the elevation, the change in elevation that we need to get the track from the lowest level to the highest level.
And Dorsey has known about. She doesn't come anywhere.
Oh, Dorsey doesn't come anywhere near this. This is strictly the guys doing it.
Dorsey answered the questions on how you could own this for yourself.
That's right. That's right. But once we have the elevations determined, then we check this against our track. We'll take the track and just temporarily lay it out onto the plywood framing, and we confirm that everything fits, everything is correct there. Then we start adding the foam. This is a urethane foam, which is typically it's done with a two-part process, but we also buy it in blocks. And these blocks, as you can see, there's a stack of them in the back here. They're 4 foot by 4 foot by 8 foot.
So we cut them out of them.
Exactly. We cut them into the layers, the thicknesses that we need, and we then apply those foam pieces to the plywood structure.
You turn the page now.
That's it. Turn that page. Here you can see where we're just roughing in those layers of foam into something that is beginning to take on the more organic shaping of the stones, the mountains, the terrain that we're going to go to with our finished look. And it's just a series of sequences really just showing you how much we're taking off and how it changes as we get into more and more of the detail.
So to me it looks like a sculpture.
Exactly. That's right. That's right. We're literally, we layer up.
So this becomes this?
That's right. It's a big transition from those 2 points. But the gentleman that we created.
Is that incredible? That's incredible.
Beautiful.
Well, where did this end up? Where did this train display go?
Well, this was installed in a home in northern Illinois. And if you turn back to the earlier photos, if you go back one more page, you'll see the sections, the plywood seams of the,
That's amazing.
the table.
Yeah.
This whole thing, once it's done, we finish it completely here.
And then you take it to the home.
Just literally take it apart on those seams and bolt it back together. There is a little bit of finessing that we have to do where the seams are, but at this point, it's just filling a little bit of the seam and doing the finish coat of paint on it.
Gorgeous.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's truly meant to be museum quality. Any client that we have, we approach their layout with that level of finish in mind. That their expectation.
Where are these pictures taken?
These are actually taken in his home at the final installation.